I got her well, and she didn't break at all. But she can do this hands. Hello. Her hairs are very beautiful, and her
Pretty.
pretty, yes, pretty. And look her bow, and she has pink hairs. That's my favorite color. And she came with this beautiful dress, and I love them. And I got crowned and everything. And I got one bubble one too, but I take it off a little bit. Look, I take this out like this. Oh no, the set came off. This one didn't. Can you stitch for it later on, Mama?
Yes, sure.
I will wear this one first. Later on, when I will go to bed, I will wear the new more clothes. Then she will be ready to sleep.
So we will make another video for that.
So we will make another video for that. And bye-bye. We will sleep now. I mean, eat now. Bye-bye. But my food is tummy. Okay, bye.
Show her face.
I hope my food is great.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.